Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use the app PubSubMe. So we've opened the app. Here we've got the tab Streams. In order to log in into our account, we press the profile button. If you're not signed up, you just press the button haven't an account yet and then do all the register process. Let's check some general settings we've got here. In the settings button, we can change brightness, sound control, player layout, accent color, general theme, and we can see the number of version of the app. Let's press the first button, streams. Here we've got some test streams. Let's check the first test stream we've got here. How does it work? So we've got some kind of channel and we can watch streams like that in this tab. Let's press the second tab, broadcast. Here we can add our own streams and broadcast which our subscribers can watch. So in order to add a broadcast, we press the little button plus up here. And here we can enter a name, like let it be stream 1. And then we press the button plus in output URL. Let's just for start choose Facebook Live and check how it works. So in order to add Facebook stream, we have to get the key. So let's open our computer. Let's open a computer and go to Facebook page. At Facebook, we press live video button. And here we will have to choose use stream key instead of use camera. Then we've got a stream key here, which we have to copy. After we've copied the key, let's paste it into our PubSub app. Paste the key and press the button save up here. Press the button save again, and now we can start our stream by pressing the big button plus down here. So like that we can start our own stream and our friends on Facebook can watch our live stream online. Now let's close it and check some settings we've got here in our broadcast settings. Here we can see the name of a stream, the server we can choose also here, and we can choose the quality bitrate. We can choose camera, back camera, front camera, and also resolution, quality resolution. After changing our settings, we press the button save up here, and we can continue streaming. So that's probably all I wanted to tell you, all I wanted to show you about this app. Check out for new videos on YouTube and just have a nice day. Thank you for watching. Bye.